Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a eyeshadow tutorial on this look that I created right here. So in today's video, I'm going to be using a palette that's never been featured on my channel before. It did come out a while ago, but I'm pretty sure that it's still available for purchase. But it is the LaRoc Cosmetics palette in collaboration with Saskia Field. This palette is just so gorgeous. I ordered this palette, I would say like months ago. And when it got to me, well, when the palette was supposed to get to me, they sent me the wrong palette. It was a Circus 10 palette, so I could not do a review around the time that it first got, like when it first came out. So yeah, I was a little bit sad about that. And then I had to go back to basic training and everything, so I had to wait even longer to do looks with this palette. But I already have at least, I want to say 2 or 3 looks already on my Instagram using this palette. So I'm gonna say it again, like how I say in every video. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, then you really should. A lot of looks that I do that don't make it to YouTube will always be on my Instagram page, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. I'm new on TikTok, so yeah, I will have all of my social media handles down in the description box below. Won't be a review, well, not like my standard review. I can go ahead and give you guys a little bit of insight on the palette just in case you never even heard of this palette before. So yeah, timestamps will be below just in case you're here for a specific reason. And yeah, you guys, so if you guys would like to see my thoughts on this palette and how I created this look, then just continue to watch. Okay, you guys, so this is what the palette looks like. It's so freaking pretty. It opens up like this, and it has 2 mirrors on the side, and then it also comes with 2 blushes and a highlight, which I thought was really, really great. So this palette is pretty much, it's very universal to me. I love how she contained the colorful shades and neutrals as well. And that was basically, this look screams that. I was able to create this look. As you can see, this look contains neutral shades like the browns, the warmer, lighter browns, and then the peachy tones. So those are more on the neutral side. And then you have like your pop of color, which is the pink in today's look. I really, really like the look, you guys. So yeah, I actually freehanded this. Usually I never just go off the top of my head. I have to plan a look out in my head first, and then I can go ahead and execute. But no, like this time I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just go with the flow, see what I come up with, and I really, really like how it came out. So yeah, you guys. So like I said, you got your neutrals, your pops of color. Not your standard rainbow palette, but it's pretty much a rainbow palette, honestly. So it has 25 mattes, and then it has 5 shimmers, and including the shimmer that you get from the highlight, you can obviously use that as eyeshadow or anything that you would want, basically. So yeah, you guys, I really, really like this palette a lot. As you can see, it performs very well. Even though I did use some P. Louise bases under the eyeshadows, they still perform amazingly. I use these 2 for the crease shades, and then I just use this one for the inner waterline, which I really, really like, you guys. I'm just now starting to get into putting color in the waterline, and I really, really like how it looks. It honestly just brings the makeup look to the next level. So I really, really like that. It matches the peach that I have on my outer like wing right here. So yeah, I really, really like how this look came out, you guys. That's pretty much my final thoughts on the palette. The palette is great. I don't want to really sound too repetitive or anything like that. So yeah, I really, really like this palette. Like I said, if it's still available for purchase, I will definitely leave the link in the description box. You need this palette. Like, you seriously need this palette. So yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Skirmishers on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Dupla.
30 hertz straight up.
Dupla.
30 hertz straight up.
Dupla.
30 hertz straight up.
Skirmishers on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.